Okay guys, I'm super stoked. So I came to another one of my spots and oh man, I'm jazzed right now. So I got some records. Oh man, oh man. Oh man, you guys. Oh man, I think I scored. Oh man, I went all in. This is the most I've ever spent, dude. I can't believe I did this, but you know. Woo! Heart's beating. I got all like adrenaline going and stuff. Okay, here, I'll show you guys what I got. This is awesome. All right, so I gotta hurry because I gotta get the kiddo from school, but dude, all Hot Wheels, 70 Hot Wheels. I got 74 daggone Hot Wheels. Well, they're not all Hot Wheels. I take that back. Some of them are Matchbox. But I mean, some of these are from the 70s. This is from 1981. This is the year I was born. Whoop, whoop. And then, of course, watching Gary Vee trash talk. Had to take it as advice. So I went. And you know it, Mug Life. It's that Mug Life, 50 cents. So, you know, this is Alice in Wonderland, Monday, Fridays. Kind of got you can market this several different ways, you know. It's got the colors, it's got the Cheshire Cat. And this one I think I might have scored on right here. Oh, dang. 1983 clay in mine. Sucker's like been never used either. Brand spanking newbie. And I don't even know. This is my first attempt at Mug Life. Cool, so I'm stoked. So I guess I gotta go pick up the kiddo. I got about 20 minutes to get back, and I'm about 20 minutes away, so we're really cutting it close. I spent $28. Here, I'll show you the receipt. Oh yeah, so I'm looking at the receipt. I also forgot I wore a hat today, and it was 25% off in the store if you wore a hat. So good thing I wear a hat every single day because I got 25% off. Was good. Check it out. This is what I got. Look, oh my God, I'm so excited. Holy cow. 25, 25, 25, 25, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Yeah! Subtotal was $38. Discount percent, 25, 28.50, guys. And that's not all I got. That's not all I got. Guys, it's crazy. You know, I went in there, I went straight in there, straight to the records, and they didn't really have anything. And I went over and found the Hot Wheels and got crazy, started digging. And then I came back around to go check out the VHSs because I'm also kind of keen on the VHSs. But oh wow, dude, somebody had just came in and dropped off some records, so I really like, look, dude, Eagles. I mean, it's a little beat up, but I think I can get it clean. Either way, for a quarter into $3 or $4, that's a good deal. Casey and Sunshine Band, same thing, a little beat up, but 25 cents after eBay and all that garbage. You know, there's fees. You gotta pay to play, right? So. You guys, what's crazy is like, man. So I was watching the Gary Vee trash talk again, and I saw he was going nuts with the Hot Wheels. I was like, how is this guy finding so many daggone Hot Wheels? Like, I don't even know. Like, I'll never find Hot Wheels. You know, that's like, those are all gone. Everybody's already got all the Hot Wheels, you know, and the guys who have the Hot Wheels are collecting them. My stepdad actually collects Hot Wheels. He's got a grip of them, but nice ones. These ones are all used, so I don't know. You know, saved like about $10 on them. I mean, the records were 25 cents a piece. I got 8 of them, so that's $2 on records. So I spent $26 on the Matchbox for 76 or 76 Hot Wheels. Jeez, I gotta get a haircut. All right, so I guess what I'm gonna do is go pick up the kiddo and get myself a haircut. And yeah, man, I'm stoked. So stay tuned. Once we get back, we'll go ahead and start figuring out how much some of this stuff costs. Man, I'm pumped up. That was the fun part. The fun part's the hunt, you know? It's out there. And then the work begins. You got to go home and see if it's actually worth anything. I've never spent this much money before on one of these endeavors, but you know what? I'm up. So, you know, you got to reinvest, right? Just like Ray is, another guy that I like to, kind of gets me going, inspired a little bit. He says, hey, you make a little bit, you just reinvest it. So that's what we're doing. We got a little bit of money in the bank, so we'll reinvest it. We'll see how it goes. We'll go pick up the kiddo, and then we will go back and we'll do the work part and see if it's any, see if we did all right. We'll see how we do. I mean, I gotta at least be able to I don't know. I don't want to jinx it. I don't want to jinx it, guys. All right. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, so I kind of went through them a little bit at first. So I got, these are all the black bottoms. I don't really know. It's mostly 90s. So these are all like mostly 90s. I guess I probably shouldn't have them upside down like that on this laptop. But these ones here are also 90s. They're all like die cast, the metal bottoms. So I got to kind of go through and see what those are all. These are the bougie bug ones that I got. I was kind of bummed about that because I think these are McDonald's ones. I'm not exactly sure. And then there's 3 there that are actually like some type of electric. It's like an electric kind of deal. I don't know. So I still haven't even really looked them up. I just kind of got back and started separating them all. We'll see what's going on. These as well, man. These racing guys. I remember these as a kid, and I think this is when the that movie came out, Days of Thunder. I have a feeling these might be Days of Thunder. This one's a little different. It's nice and heavy. So this is my Matchbox haul. Ooh, at the gym right here. This is like 1974. I can't see with the camera. Let me see. Oh shoot. No way. 72. 1972. Right up there at the top. I think it's 72. Anyhow, so that one might be promising. I got these guys, which are Johnny Lightnings. I don't know. They're real heavy. They roll real nice. Like Hot Wheels. All of them. They roll real good. So I don't know. I saw these in there when I was digging, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to take a chance. I'm going to take a chance on these. We'll see. I mean, shoot, they were like less than, a quarter or 50 cents a piece. All right, now I'll come over here, and I'll show you the one that I think is actually pretty awesome. So I'm almost a Hot Wheels expert now, just so you know. But it says Big Time Stunt Ramp. And one of the cool things I noticed is it has this little Hot Wheels emblem right here on the side. But it has the tread on the tires. So if you find ones with tread on the tires, I think that's a go. Because on here, it's old as snot. It's son of a gun. What does it say right there? 89? Oh, shoot. I don't know. This is horrible. I might have to edit this out or something. 80. Let me just put it up in my face and see. Oh, it's so hard to tell. 82. 1982 Big Time Air number 5 hot rod, whatever thingamajigger. Like I said, I'm almost an expert. So anyhow, I think this is a score, man. This is a pretty good one. It's got the real legit tires on it. This one too, but I'm not exactly sure. The quality just, after handling all these, you can almost feel the difference in the ones that are worth it. So this is an 87. So yeah, this is 5 years older. 5 years older. This was my favorite, 81, which is pretty awesome. 1981. It's the year I was born. Shout out to my year born. I think there's a trailer that goes with it, so I don't know. We'll have to look and see what we got. And there's like some colored bottom ones. This is a 1982, and the bottom is white, and it has this little slot here. I don't know if they just try to make it as realistic to the real car as possible, so maybe the real cars do have that. Maybe that's why it's called a slot car. Shoot, I don't know. Over here, I got all these ones, but this one is blue, so I don't know. I have a feeling maybe this is part of a series or something. 89 Corvette, 69 Corvette. What does that say there? 99 Corvette. That's not a 99 Corvette. But anyhow, I got a bunch of these. I feel like, so I got 3. These are all Corvettes, right? So that might be a series too. Just all the different types of Corvettes, I guess. Anyhow, that's what I got. I got a mug life. Haven't checked that out yet, but I thought it'd be cool to show you guys what was in the whole entire bag, because there was a crap load of cars in there. All right, guys, so we're back in the shed. I looked at some of the prices. I got a couple bangers. Woo! Just kidding. So I learned a couple things. One, the wheels. You want to keep an eye on the wheels. I mean, If they have, I showed you guys earlier the ones with the ridges on them, the screamer wheels, those up the value. Second thing to keep in mind is the red line. It'll have a red line around the outer rim of the tire. Third thing I learned today is don't buy a bunch of Hot Wheels until you know what you're buying. So anyhow, I don't think it's going to be too bad. I found a couple good ones that's going to compensate for the rest. The rest, I came up with some creative pricing. I have an event on 4/19 up in Carson City. I'm hoping I get rid of a lot of them there. So we'll see. And there, I'll show you my creative pricing. All right, so here's my thoughts. What I got here is 2 Ferraris. So I bagged them up together, $1 a piece. Be good on that. There's a couple luxury cars. You got a BMW, Rolls Royce, and a Mercedes, or 2 Mercedes and a BMW. So I'm gonna do these for I gotta put the price in here somewhere. $3, so $1 a piece for those. Same here. You know, I got a little bit of a rare run. I thought this one was super rare because it says 1974, 1976 on it, 78, whatever the heck. It's so hard to read the numbers sometimes. But anyhow, what I've learned is they copyright. That's the year it was copyrighted. That's not necessarily the year that it was made. So you can't really go on the number that's on the bottom of these and just expect it to be made that year. That's not really how it goes. So unfortunately, I screwed up there. So these, I just put a bunch of Corvettes in here, $4 a piece, or $1 a piece, 4, so 4 for the lot. These ones here, I got a bunch. They're all kind of race car, Indy kind of cars, you know. So I kind of hooked them up with this. So we're going to do, I think I did 75 cents a piece. It comes out to $4 for this bag. Those ones. And then these are the Johnny Lightnings, which actually are pretty good. This blue one here in particular is worth quite a bit. Close to $5. This one's a little damaged. You can kind of tell the wheels are bent. So anyways, you know, I put these all together. It's a $4 lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put these together because they're trucks. You know, I think it's at 75 cents a piece. So I'll take $3. Or, you know, less than $3, $2.50, whatever. So, but these ones here, this is the one I showed you earlier that I really liked, and that was the one. This I'll post a picture. I forget how much it was, but it's the one with the tires. So with the rigid tires, and then also this one here was like a $5 car, and it has the rubber tires. So I don't know if you could tell, but they're like, you know, actual rubber. So these ones right here, this lot, $5. So that really saved my behind. And all these ones are left over. These are all Matchboxes. I thought the Matchboxes I could maybe get $1 too, but you know, it's not looking that way. So I'm going to just resell these for 50 cents. You know, sometimes you got to take a loss or break even, whatever. But, you know, it is what it is. But out of these Matchboxes, I did find a gem. And I'm going to keep it. Because, you know, I'm becoming a collector now. So I got that sucker, 1972 or some crap. But it still rolls. Whatevs. All right. So the math on everything came out to, I'm going to end up making 21 bucks if I sell it all the way it is. So that's not bad. You know, I like to double my money or more, but anyway, sometimes you know, you eat it, sometimes you take a loss. But I think the message here is, you know, even though you take a loss, you don't quit. You just keep going, especially if it's something you love doing, and I do. I like it. I get the adrenaline rush, and it gets my heart really going and stuff. So it's super cool. But I don't think I'll lose money. So with all the prices that I had showed you guys, I did the math here. You know, it's a $26 investment. I subtracted $2 for the records and the cups. So basically, you know, the full bag with the whole crap load of the random ones, these ones here, 50 cents a piece, that's 19 bucks. And then all the pricing I did on the lots, all the individual lots will earn me 23 bucks. So 23 and 19 comes out to 42 minus my cost. That gives me a $21 profit after fees and whatever, probably looking about 18 bucks. So that not necessarily a loss. Yeah, I paid gas, but you know, I'll be driving somewhere anyways. So that's how I look at that. So, all right, you guys, hey, so get out there and get hustling. There's still stuff out there, and it's crazy how you can still, you know, almost double your money. So, hey, if you guys like this and it was any, you know, you guys learn anything from it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. That way I can see you guys are watching. That way I'll keep doing this. Otherwise, I'm going to stop making videos and just keep doing it for me. But if you guys like it, hopefully I can teach you guys something along the way. And, you know, hey, mug life, Gary V is right. This whole mug game, I'm tapping into it. So, all right. Thanks a lot, guys.